Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money by clicking on ads. It is free and it pays with Payeer, airtm, skrill, and more. A perfect side hustle while working at home. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to help you earn passive income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first step is to turn on your phone, and the second is to click on the ads as shown. The third step is to work and pay your bills. That's all there is to it. So for the time being, I'd like you to go over all of these real payment evidence with me. On this website, people from all over the world can generate money online. Consider the following prices: $35, $32, $14, and $50. So let's have a look at the details down below. There are literally hundreds of people here, as you can see. They can make money online simply by clicking on the letter S. The second table shows how much money you can save as a result of this. By clicking on one ad, you can earn $1.50. So if you click on 10 advertisements, you'll get $15. If you click on 20 commercials, you'll get $30. And if you click on 50 ads, you'll get $75. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started. This approach is absolutely free, does not require any investment, and can be used anywhere in the world. So in a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for the free account and show you some real-life examples of how to do it. And on top of that, I'll be giving away a lot of special tips that can help you double your money compared to other people. So make sure you watch the entire video and don't miss any crucial steps. This is critical right now. I'll teach you how to click on ads like this with your phone or computer and make a lot of money online. Just like these individuals in just a moment. There are literally hundreds of them for $5, $10, and more right here on this page. They're reaping the benefits of their labor. So first and foremost, I want you to go to scarletclicks.info, which is a website where you may earn money by just clicking on adverts with your phone or computer. I'll show you another example in this video. As you can see, the total compensation paid out to members from all over the world has already topped $2 million. The site now has 922 registered users. I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. To register, simply go to this page by clicking this button at the top of the website. As you can see, you'll be required to submit your full name, date of birth, username or password, and email address. By scrolling down to payment account, you can fill in all of the information for where you want your money to be received. You have the option of receiving your money by Payeer, NetTeller, Skrill, airtm, Dash, or PayPal Money. You can also use a bank transfer. You'll be able to alter it once you've logged into your account. After you've completed all of these fields, all you have to do now is double check the image. So which one is this in this scenario? Once I've been taking care of that, and I'll simply click this button to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click this register button. So right now, log into your scarletclicks.info account to see what ads are available for you to click on. Most importantly, you must be able to make money online. So as you can see on the right part above, people are generating money online by just clicking on advertisements, earning $1.50 each time they visit our platform. As you can see, this is a picture right now, but it contains a lot of teeny bitty boxes. Now, whenever I click on the little box, it redirects me to a random page where I must stay for 30 seconds in order to receive $1.50. If I click on the next box right here, for example, it will take me to a whole new page, as you can see. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is stay on this page for 30 seconds and you'll receive $1.50. And the reason I enjoy these websites so much is because there are so many boxes in this one picture box right here where I can actually make money online. As a result, you can see the entire number of boxes in a single image at the very bottom. Therefore, from just one picture, there are 560 boxes, and every time I click on the adverts, I get $1.50. So I can earn $840 from just one picture. It's important to know that after 12 midnight, clicks will be set every day at midnight server time. The boxes right here will reload and you'll be able to click on them again to visit various websites. You'll get your money if you stay for 30 seconds. The best aspect is that once you completed the one picture, you can immediately begin working on the next. This image has 560 boxes, each of which can be clicked to earn money online. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So right now, I'd want to give you an extra tip. As you can see above, you may be able to unlock certain video adverts by clicking on some random boxes. So right now, seeing a movie rather than a web page is actually good news because you can earn twice as much money. For example, $3. As you can see, this is a video, so I'm just going to sit here and wait for it to finish. And then you can earn $3. Simple as that. So based on my experience, only about 10 of the 560 boxes listed above will be used to screen a movie. As you can see above, you have the option of earning $3, which is double the money, or visiting a random website by clicking on any of the boxes. For example, if you click this box right now, you'll be taken to this page. As you can see, there is no video, and you can just collect $1.50 for waiting 30 seconds, which is what I want to share with you. Another step is that if a website includes banner advertisements such as the one you see here, clicking on them will redirect you to a different page. You can earn extra money by clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 banner advertisements right here. So if I click on these banner ads, I'll be taken to the page and will do nothing, right? Do nothing right now. Don't click anything, don't sign up for anything. If you stay for 30 seconds, you will receive your money. One of the features I like about this service is that you get extra bonus money if you are the highest earner for the month. As a result, the more advertising you click right here on our website, the more money you can make online. And you'll also receive bonus money every month. So if you're still watching, please like this video and leave a comment down below to let me know you're still watching, because I'm about to give you one last bonus tip on how you may earn extra money by recommending others and introducing your friends, groups, or family to our website. By introducing friends, you can enhance your income. This person, for example, can earn an extra $8 by introducing some acquaintances. As you can see, many people can make money simply by referring others, and they will be paid a percentage of what their friends earn. This website gives people from all over the world the opportunity to earn money. Please make a remark below if your country's flag appears in the video. If it does not, simply leave a comment with your country and let me know where you're from. As you can see, this website provides a diverse set of options. People are getting $10, $44, $53, or another $10. There are simply too many people generating money by clicking on advertising right now, which is so simple that anyone can do it. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money by clicking on ads. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.